Good morning, guys. This is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Fairfax. It's Friday, the end of the work week. I know a lot of people are like, thank God, I'm ready for the weekends. I just want to leave you guys with a little quote that really connects with me, so I hope you guys like it. I don't know who it's written by, but it's a really good quote. The quote is, a winner is a loser who never gave up. And that just hits me really well because um, not everybody that you see that won, like let's say Michael Phelps in the Olympics, or athletes, or people even in careers, that win or winners, and they lost at some point. They were losers. They wasn't winners, but they just never gave up. They kept fighting. They kept grinding. They kept going and going and going until eventually they became what they wanted to be. Michael Phelps was obviously not, didn't win the gold medal overnight, and he obviously suffered a lot of loss, I'm sure, along the way, but he just never gave up. He kept going and going and persevered, and he became one of the best swimmers that, ever. Everybody knows him now. So just whatever struggles you're going through, just don't give up. It's going to get better. Just don't give up. Keep going, and you'll eventually overcome those and become successful, or become a winner, or become the person that you want it to be. I hope you guys like that quote. I hope you all have a great day. If you need anything, we're here all weekend long. Bring your old vacuums in, trade them in. Let's get you a new one. No, but seriously, if you guys need any repairs or anything, bags, accessories, we're here all weekend long. Stop by and see us. Thank you all and have a great day.